DIYers, I recently found an amazing desk at a yard sale, and I am guessing if I waited 10 more minutes they would have put it out on the street and I probably would have gotten it for free. It did need to be cleaned up and the veneer on the top was in terrible shape. But not to worry, a little 1/4-inch plywood and some soap and water and this desk was ready for a makeover. Now to give this desk the love that it needs, we're going to colorize it with Americana Decor Chalky finish and add a beautiful DECOUPAGE rice paper from RE-DESIGN with Prima. The DECOUPAGE rice papers have huge, beautiful images and I cannot wait to use this one on this desk. It's called Royal Gardens. And to kick it up a notch, we're going to embellish this desk even more with decor transfers in the pattern Beautiful Things, also from RE-DESIGN with Prima. Now don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make over a desk. I love painting furniture, and my go-to paint for most of my furniture makeover projects is Americana Decor Chalky Finish. The colors and the quality are amazing and the coverage is exceptional. Chalky Finish paint can be applied with a brush, a roller, or a spray gun, and the paint should be applied in thin layers and will typically dry within a couple of hours. A top coat sealer, such as a wax or a lacquer, can be applied and will enhance the decorative characteristics of your painted pieces. Using a dry brush and making sure the two different wet paints are overlapping, you can easily create an ombre effect from one color to the next. RE-DESIGN with Prima makes the most amazing products that can take any piece of furniture from just plain pretty to show-stopping and stunning. I'm adding a watered down brown cream wax to bring out the details and to give the desk an aged look. And even though I'm wiping most of it off, it's still going to give the vintage look that I'm going for. I would love it if you'd take a second to thumbs up this video and leave me a comment in the comment section. Just say hello. I love hearing from you. I really do. I'm going to leave a link to RE-DESIGN with Prima, DecoArt, and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration and I will see you next week. Bye.